friends, let's take a ride through alphabet land. Side by side, hold on tight, don't be late. Adventure time, let's celebrate. A is for airplane, flying so high. B is for balloon, up in the sky. C is for castle, tall and bright. D is for dragon, but he's polite. Let's go! Alphabet adventure, sing and play. We learn letters all the way. Clap your hands and dance around. Every letter makes a sound. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for forest, where foxes play. G is for garden, with flowers in a row. H is for hippo, splashing, whoa! Alphabet adventure, come along. Every letter has a song. Jump up high and spin around. Every letter makes a sound. I see igloos in the snow, jolly jelly beans in a row. I go in the airlines, roar without a care. N is for mountain, reach the top. N is for noodles, slurp, don't stop. O is for ocean, big and blue. P is for pirate, saying R to you. Let's go! Alphabet adventure, here we go. Q to Z, let's finish the show. Stomp your feet and twirl around. Every letter makes a sound. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, sliding down. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for tiger, what a sight. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for volcano, boom, always. W is for whale singing in the sea. X marks the treasure, come with me. Y is for yawn when our day is done. Z is for zzz, the adventure was fun. Alphabet adventure, hip hooray.